What's up guys, it's Mikul here, and today I show you how I made a monitor out of a screen from an old laptop. The first thing I have to do was get a screen, which I did from dismantling my old laptop. You can go watch that video on my channel. Once I had the screen, I needed a way to control it. In order to do that, I had to go to eBay to find a control board. In order to get the right one, I needed to look for the control board that fits the model number of the LCD screen. While I was waiting for the control board to arrive, I designed the frames for the screen. I needed backboard, bezels, and a cover for the control board. I measured the panels for the backboard and left a cutout for the cable connector. This is a touchscreen, but there are no control boards that allow for the touchscreen to continue working. The control board cover took a while to design because I had to get the position of the standoffs right. I ran out of the PLA filament, so I had to use green PLA instead, which ended up being a higher quality than the blue one. I used hot glue to put all the pieces together. The monitor itself is not glued in, but it's held in place because of the frames. I needed a stand for this, so I found one online that was for phones, but it would work well for this. Once I got that printed, I glued it to the whole thing and it was ready to go. Overall, it came out well and it works well. There are some minor adjustments that could be done to make it look better, but it functions well. It is small and portable, and as long as you have a 12-volt power supply and an outlet for that, it will continue working. And a 12-volt battery could have been used to power this as well. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.